This video is to show how to find this mean and standard deviation from a TI Inspire. The first thing I'm going to do is I want to take myself back to the home menu. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrow down and arrow over to a spreadsheet, a new document. So I'm going to hit enter. Right. At this point, I'm going to enter some numbers. I'm just going to randomly kind of enter numbers, arrow down. It's putting them in the list. Let's say 25. So whatever my data set is, I'm going to enter it at this time. 36, 27. Let's do one more in the middle there. How about 58? Arrow down, make sure it's in there. All right, so you enter your data set. Now, in order to have it do the work for you, to do some statistics, hit menu, go down to statistics. We want it to do some stat calculations, and I'm pressing the side arrows to get the next menu up, and I want it to do one variable statistics for me, and then now we're just going to click OK on everything. Just arrow down. I hit OK, it's highlighted. All right, and here we go. So it gives me some information I'm not really going to use. If you see over here on the left, that was my data set. And it does some things. It adds up. That symbol is for the sum, so it adds up all the numbers in my data set. It adds up all the numbers squared in my data set. But what I am worried or interested in is SX. So that is the standard deviation that we're going to be using. Now, the difference between SX and sigma X is that SX is the standard deviation for the sample size. So we just put a sample size set of data into the calculator. Whereas sigma, that standard deviation is for the whole population. So we just have a sample size, so we're going to take the SX. However, when we write the standard deviation on our paper, even though we're getting the number from SX, we are going to express it by saying sigma equals. Okay. Now if we arrow down, you'll see n is 6 because that's the number of values in the data set. That's min. It gives us some stuff that would have been useful in for you to use in Algebra 1, but what I'm looking for is the mean. Where did the good old mean go? There it is. See X bar? So the mean is up top. So X bar is 42.6667. And then, of course, read the directions to see where it wants you to round to. So it looks like the mean is up top. The standard deviation we're looking for is about 4 from the top. And then when we write the standard deviation, we are going to use the sigma symbol. Right? This concludes how to put or use the TI Inspire to find standard deviation and the mean. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Thank you.